guys, today we're going to be servicing the air conditioners here. We already have this one going because just make sure it's blowing cold. It already is blowing nice and cold because, I mean, it's only 3 years old, but we're going to clean the filters and stuff on it. So let's shut her down. There we go. There it goes. Let's open up the covers. Oh yeah, that's needs cleaning. Just take that out. Put it nice up there. We're gonna use that nut dryer they provide us with and take off the cover. I'm gonna not bore you with this, and I'll come back when the cover's off. Okay, guys, so we cleaned the filter on it. Let's put that back together. Here's the inside of a Frieder Cool, if you're wondering. It's all metal. That's how you know it's a good air conditioner. Except I wish they weren't so expensive. That's my only problem with Friedrichs. They're kind of expensive. And actually, this is a metal blow blade. That's all metal. That's metal. Pure metal, guys. Very nice. Friedrich, you guys do a good job. Comes with a vent, too, in case you have some bad smells in your house and you want to get rid of them. Styrofoam, just for extra protection. And then there should be another sheet of metal outside of the styrofoam. And yeah. Case is all metal, everything's metal. Yeah, so I'm gonna dust down the case over there. I cleaned the filter nicely. I should probably snap that in. Yeah, there. So let's go clean the case, and I'll be back. Okay, we got it running. Compressor's going. See if we can maybe get the compressor's going. We open this. Take a look. This is starting to get cold. Since we don't really need it running, I'm just going to turn on the vent thing. So just put it outside. See right up there. You can see if you want to do a remote control by your phone. Do that. Oh yeah. I think we might already be condensating. Yeah, we are. Concept. Wow. Already. What a beast. For a modern unit, this is a really good unit. Yeah, it's just a fan. It could catch it. Take a look at the data tag. Model number SS12 N30C-A. 230 volts. 220. 12,000 BTUs cooling power. Frieder, San Antonio, Texas. It's assembled in Mexico. 35 ounces of R410A refrigerants. 15 amps. Energy Star, and all that jazz. Oh, it's not all cold yet, but it's getting there. I'm gonna let it go for a little bit longer, and we'll see what we can get. Okay, so she's running good. Since we actually took out that carbon filter on it because it could cause the compressor to work harder than it should and make this all freeze up. And already, since I removed it, we're blowing good air pressure, much better than we did before, which that was the problem. I remember last year I was beating on this unit just because it was not blowing a good enough air, but it was just because of that carbon filter. Now that that's gone, it runs like a beast. So yeah, we're gonna shut her down and put it back together. Okay, let's actually go through the fan speeds. Let's go medium. High. And full. That is a lot of air pressure. Yeah, definitely much better. So yeah, that's about it. Let's go shut her down and put it back together. That's also condensating a lot. Here you go, refrigerants. running good. Okay, let's go put the cover back on. Okay, we got the cover back on. Let's put it back together real quick. It's just a little dirty. It's just extra dust. Let me just wipe that off. There you go, much better. Get that off. There you go. Okay, let's put that back on. Turn it on. And let's clear the filter. Huh? What did I do? Clear filter's not working, right? Let's fix that. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go fix the owner's manual for that. Check filters, turn that off, and I'll be back. Okay, now we're gonna service the X-Star. Let's see what we gotta do for this one. This one of the screws already went missing on it, so I'm just gonna take this. I can take this one out by hand. Okay, we'll take it off and run it without the yeah. Okay. Let's take that off. Come on, come off. Yay! There we go. Yeah, this one needs brushing. This one needs a very good cleaning, very badly. I'll show you what I mean. That's a pretty dirty coil. Yeah, okay, so let's turn it. I'm gonna do it with the remote actually, because I want to get it on cool really fast. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's try to get a compressor side. Let's try to get it. Here we go. Oh gosh, it's shooting the mold at me, God. And very good, needed cleaning and coil straightening. Whew. Yeah, she's going though. Okay. Cool, I will clean a little bit. Good, to let it get cold. Whew. This one's also all metal construction. Let's take over the. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go, okay. Model number XQ08L10A-A. 160 hertz, one phase, 115 volts, 8,000 BTUs, 10.8 EER, 6.8 amps, 22 ounces of R22. What else? Yeah, that's about it. Okay. That's already starting to get cold. Whew. I will be taking this out for cleaning, hopefully soon. This is a very messy weather stripping thing I did. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that, yeah. I'm gonna try to get out this foam. I might try to pull it out a little bit to take a look at the compressor, but we'll see what we gotta do. Let's pull this out. I'm not pulling it out or anything. I'm not pulling it out all the way at least. We're gonna see what it's got. Whew, okay. Yeah. You can kind of see out there. I don't know if you can see the compressor in there or not, but yeah. Try. You kind of see it in there. I don't know what it is. It's probably an LG. Smooth this crap. I'm also gonna go in there with a brush and scrub that. She runs though. Yeah, that's all that matters. Okay, let's put her on F2. Blech. F3. Okay, let's see what we're working with. This is already condensating as usual, like Friedrichs always do. That's a nice sounding compressor in there, but I don't know what it is. It's either Tecumseh or or something like that. Yeah. Trying to see. Probably an LG, but I can't tell. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'll go clean it now. Let's go do that. Okay, I cleaned the filter on it, brushed it off a little bit. I couldn't pull it. I can't get it out because it's like, I don't know if you can see down there, but see, you need like two people, like one on one side to pull it out, but Yeah, we'll do that next weekend though. Me and my dad will get it out so you can get her clean. Beast. Let's see, how's this done? Condensation, a little bit. We're gonna let it run a little bit better. I cleaned the filter nicely. I will stick a foam bag in. So one last, I still stopped it, but here's one last here, this is the compressor. Good. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna stuff the phone back in and we'll just be back. Hopefully it should be condensating by then. Okay. It's back together. Pretty quiet unit. I've seen quieter, but this for a rotary, it's very quiet and modern. Runs good. Got a fan here. Dirty in there. We're gonna clean that. For the cleansing, so we're gonna have to I'm gonna put it back together a little bit. We'll see where we're gonna put the cord. We might get clips for the cord, honestly. We'll see what we're gonna do. I'll put the cord back and put it back together. Okay, yeah, it's back together. It runs good. Nice and cold. That's focused. Okay. Let's bring that back up to 70. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Let's go to the next unit. Okay, next unit. Let's do this. Okay, next unit. Here we are. Okay. GE. That out. Filter's not that dirty. This unit is not really that heavily used. Okay, screwdriver. We'll take off the cover. Okay, so as we look in here, this unit's definitely gone through its times. It's freezing up, actually. Yeah, first time I've actually seen that done that. First time I've seen that happen. First time I ever seen it start freezing up. But yeah, okay, let's take these out. Let's take out the cord and stuff like that. What is even in there? That's some kind of stupid thing, you know? That's going good. Freezing up, but yeah. Model AJ CQ 12A CCM1. 11,600 BTUs. 115 volts, 60 hertz, one phase, 20 ounces of R22. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. OER about 11.5 amps, 9.5 ER. Pretty inefficient if you ask me, but whatever. It's trying to work. Let's see, can we get it on, say, decently? Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. Is that a... No. I thought that was a reverse. No, it doesn't have heat. If it did, yeah, that would be pretty interesting, but no, it doesn't. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, time to clean the filter and coils a little bit. Okay, I cleaned the filter and everything on it. Let's turn it back on. So yeah, I'm not going to do the Frigidaire because that one doesn't even get used. I don't think it was even used last summer, so that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.